Hello and welcome to this episode of Ask Raghav. I hope all of you are doing good and awesome. Today I am going to take up a question asked by Durga, and she says how to go for freelancing, and I request you to provide a video on freelancing. So Durga, thank you so much for your question. And if you are planning to go freelancing, or if you are planning to do freelancing work, I will suggest you that you enroll yourself in the freelancing websites like freelancer.com, upwork.com and similar websites, and try to search for relevant jobs for you and try to apply for them. Now you can apply these jobs directly, and you can also get in touch with some person who takes these jobs, freelancing jobs in bulk, and then hires people to get these jobs done, and this will be a good starting experience for you. One thing to take care is, whenever you plan to start freelancing, do not do it after leaving your job. Start along with your job so that it will give you a initial experience, and then after you have reached a certain stage and you believe that you can carry on with your freelancing work even if you do not have a regular job, then you can take a decision of what to do next. But never ever do this mistake to leave your regular job and start on freelancing. I hope this will help you, and if you have any other question for the next episode of Ask Raghav, you can let me know in the comment section below. I will see you next week. Thank you for watching and never stop learning.